Alright, welcome back to our box culvert. We set up our base on an unknown position and we've shot our benchmark. What we're going to do now is we're going to find a couple of things to try to anchor our plan down with. So I do see, I'm going to turn my tilt comp on, so I'm going to hit my satellite. I'm going to go to settings. I'm going to enable my tilt comp. Hit yes. There are a couple sewer manholes and a bollard around here. What I want to do is there is existing control on this site that's on the plans, but we don't have the coordinates for it. So I just want to get this PDF in here so I can get a little bit of where I am on the site. Once I shoot that, I'll anchor to those control points. So right in the center of the manhole, take my shot here. I'm going to change my point name to a number. Call it sewer manhole. I'll leave it as a surface feature because it isn't a road. Accept on that. And now what we'll do is have another gate valve here. Shoot this gate valve. Call it gate. And this says water, so we'll call it water gate valve. Surface point. Another on here. And then I'm just going to shoot the face of this bollard. Alright. One more sewer manhole. Otherwise we'll shoot while we're right here. Alright, now let's bring this PDF in, see if we can find some control to anchor this to do our existing. So I'm going to hit my cogwheel on the right side, my images, display background. I have this buried on my desktop. Bid set PDF right there. So I want page 3, which is going to be the proposed. It does have an existing conditions, but it also has a proposed. I think the proposed and existing pretty much have everything we're going to need, but we're going to find out. So it's going to import that. It's going to ask me where I want to reference it. So what we're going to do is see if we've shot enough things to kind of geo-reference this down. I know that point 1 was that sewer manhole out in the road, which is right here. So I'm just going to, whoops, I'll go back here. Put the red dot roughly in the center. Point 2, what I think we'll do is we did shoot that control nail. So I'm actually just going to try to get that control nail, see if it gets us close enough. And we'll just put it right at the end of the arrow where it's pointing. Hit accept. This will rotate it in where it needs to be. Alright, so you can see where we are. That sewer manhole, gate valves, they kind of landed where they are. The bollards, they did shoot the face of them. But this is just going to get us close enough. There's station 1 right there. So we're going to walk up, see if we can get close to station 1. We're going to shoot that just to try to anchor this a little bit better. So right around here there is a mag nail in the asphalt. So I'm going to set up on that mag nail. I'm actually going to shoot this as a control point, so I have a little more control on my sight. We'll turn the tilt comp off. Hit the plus sign. We'll leave it at 7. We're just going to put mag. Plumb up. Alright, so we got one mag. Let's go see. There was supposed to be another one up the road. There's that triangle. Well, we're going to walk up this road, which is nice because it's kind of where our pavement cut is. So if we can find this, which is right here, we're going to find this and we'll anchor to these control points. Really tie this down where it needs to be. Alright, so now we got our control points. Let's just quickly reorient this, and then we'll get to topoing. So I'm just going to come back into my images. I'm going to re-hit my map. I'm going to tap on my mag, number 8, which I know is this one right here. Pinch way in. Touch right in the center. Mag 2 is down there. Try to get that a little bit more centered. Go. Hit accept. And that just put us right on where we need to be. A little bit better. Sewer manhole right on the middle. Our control right where it needs to be. Alright, we're ready to start topoing.